We're taking the Model 3 back to Big Pine Key.
Oh.
Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures. You can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. We have a very, very exciting day today in Coral Gables. We are here for Lucky to get the MCU2 upgrade. She's at the surgery center right now, otherwise known as the Tesla Service Center, where they're going to take out both the vertical MCU and then also the screen behind the wheel and replace those with new, more modern technology. We're going to get better hardware for Lucky. And we're so excited. We're so excited to be able to watch Netflix and Hulu and YouTube in Lucky. And the touchscreen is supposed to be more responsive. We are going to lose AM, FM radio. They were really good about telling me that.
What's that?
Yeah, exactly. What is that? She doesn't even know what AM, FM radio is, so we're not going to miss it. I can't tell you the last time I listened to AM or FM
But for
radio.
real, what is that?
Radio. It's like this thing from the past, Carly, where people would listen to music on the radio. I don't know how to explain the radio.
Okay, chill.
So, we're super excited. We got a loaner today. They promised us a loaner. They knew we were coming from Big Pine Key, about 135, 140 miles away. We don't know if Lucky is going to be done today or if we have to drive back to Big Pine Key and come back and get her tomorrow.
Well, you would come back and get her, I would stay back.
We'll see, Carly. But, you know, they said the programming can take a while. They were going to be working on it with a sense of urgency. I could definitely tell when we dropped off Lucky at 9 o'clock. Had to get up at 5:30 this morning.
Not easy, no man.
We left at 6:10 to get to Coral Gables right at 9 o'clock. We wanted them to have the best chance possible to get Lucky back to us same day with her new MCU. So we're going to film a totally separate video on the comparisons of the old MCU and the new MCU. We've already shot some footage of the before, and now we're just waiting to get Lucky to film the after. But the other exciting thing today is that we got a loaner. Model 3! We really wanted a 3 today because we had a Model S loaner last time, and we saw the Model Y up close and sat in it with Josie.
And we already have a
Luke
Model
and
X.
Rex. When we did the comparison, the frunk to trunk comparison, we know what the X is all about, but we'd never been in a 3. So it was actually incredible. That never gets old, does it? So it was really amazing when we were at the service center this morning. They saved us a Model X. And I think the guy there was like really proud of the fact that he saved us a Model X because he knew that we might be keeping it overnight and putting a lot of miles on it, and it was going to be sort of that like vehicle, comparable vehicle since we're used to driving the X, right? So then when I said, do you happen to have a Model 3? He looked a little bit disappointed, but they had one Model 3 left. Beautiful blue. I love this blue. Actually blue just like my friend Debbie's Model 3 that she got earlier this year that she named Baby. Love the blue on the 3. It's a great color for the 3. So anyway, they had one Model 3 left, and it was a little bit dusty and dirty because they had some construction nearby, so they cleaned it for us. And now we get to have an adventure today in the Model 3 in Coral Gables. So we're going to show you some Model 3 life footage. We'll get to that in a second, Carly. We'll get to that in a second. I also wanted to give a shout out to Franco. We saw Franco this morning at the Coral Gables Service Center. He's our Tesla mobile guy, and I told him that the video we posted last August with him and the 12-volt battery, everything you needed to know about the 12-volt batteries, guest starring Franco, the Tesla mobile service guy, that video, look at the analytics of that video. It just continues to grow. It is a steady growth video for our channel. But first,
Ah.
as it relates to our channel, if you already love Tesla, if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, or if you're just curious about electric vehicles in general, please subscribe to our channel, TesLUCKY. All of our videos are Tesla related. Manga haul time. The first thing we did was drive to Miracle Mile from Tesla Coral Gables Service Center on Bird Road. It's only like a mile and a half away.
No.
Carly went into Barnes & Noble. How many books did you buy, Carly?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, let's see your haul. Manga haul, ladies
So
and
first we got
gentlemen.
Chainsaw Man. It isn't as gory as it may look, trust me.
It looks pretty gory.
It does, but it isn't as gory.
The seats are so pretty. I'm sorry,
know.
distracted by the seats. Okay.
It's called Don't Toy With Me. I don't want to pronounce it, but I heard it's
Don't
good.
toy with me. Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha. That's number 2.
Promise Neverland Volume 10.
Okay.
We got.
Volumes 1 through 9 were good.
I don't actually have 6 or 9. I need to pre-order those off to like Books A Million or something.
Okay.
My Academia Volumes 4 and 5.
Okay.
We got Haikyuu Volume 6. And it is my first romance manga. Kiss Him, Not Me.
Oh, okay. And where are we going to have lunch today, Carly?
Seasons 52.
Oh, we're going to go have lunch at Seasons 52.
At
But
noon.
first, let's see if we can figure out some things here in the Model 3. Like, first of all, how
don't
much
you have to
battery
order-
do we have? Oh, you know, while I was driving over here, the mileage of the speed was up here in the corner. That's
Oh,
what
how cool.
my cousin Luke was saying, that it's not that difficult to adjust from looking behind the wheel to just looking over here at the speed. So this is my first time driving with this horizontal screen, and I agree with him. It wasn't
Let's look at the
difficult at all.
toy box.
But I want to see what the battery is at. Where's the?
It's right there.
Oh, it's right there. Yeah, we're 273 miles, but let's change that to percentage. So let's change it from distance to energy at 94%. Okay, so what do you want to show here?
Is we have the toy box. We have.
Ludicrous fart. Hey, look, it's set on ludicrous fart. That's my favorite fart. It was already set on that. I'll put it back on ludicrous fart.
Ew, Rainbow, you're so gross. Why'd you have to fart?
Rainbow!
Check out the white seats. The white seats are awesome, aren't they? I kind of wish we had the white seats in Lucky now. Who else likes the white seats?
To show how that beautiful white seat, does it recline as much as the Model X? Carly slept the entire way here from Big
Felt
Pine Key
awesome.
to Coral Gables in the Model X. It still looks like a dentist chair when you do that. Does it recline about the same as the Model X?
Yeah.
Pretty comfortable?
We need to name our car.
Oh yeah, let's name the car.
I've had the name
All
picked
right,
out
Carly,
since
here,
we've got it.
How do you name the car?
I need to Google the name so I can spell it right. Now this person, yes, it's an anime character, give me a break, but this is the most wholesome anime character I know.
The most wholesome
He's
anime
literally
character?
he's literally the sweetest. He deserves the world.
Oh, here. Oh, somebody named it Grape Ape. We're gonna change that.
Yeah.
Okay.
His name is I can't Yuji Itado from JJK stands for Jujutsu Kaisen.
Well, Yuji
Itadori.
from JJK.
It's abbreviations for Jujutsu Kaisen.
Okay, for Jujutsu Cousin.
Kaizen!
Kaizen. Okay, Jujutsu Kaisen. All right. So can we just call it Yuri for short?
Yuji or Itadori.
Oh, Yuji. Is it
Yuji.
Yuji or Yuri?
Yuji.
Yuji. Okay, Yuji,
I
our
broke it.
loaner, has 34,328 miles on her. She's in great
Alright.
shape. All right, what else is in here? Oh, the cameras. Let's see the other cameras. Oh, look at that. We have 3 cameras. I guess this one would probably have Sentry mode. I
Yeah.
don't know how to do any of that, but oh, look, there's a little mini Tesla T in there. You see that?
Yeah.
Little mini Tesla T in the spinning wheel. That makes it the least annoying spinning wheel I've ever seen, because I'm so mesmerized by that little Tesla T. I could like watch it all day.
You're so weird.
I know, Carly. Hey, look, Carly. there's Magic City Casino right there.
Cool.
Who did you see at Magic City Casino?
Rick Springfield.
Rick Springfield. That's where you danced on stage with him for the first time.
Why did I?
Magic City Casino. That's a historic landmark in Miami because you were on stage with Rick Springfield for the first time. I know the viewers at TesLUCKY are going to want to see that.
No, why did I agree to that?
You did.
Let's dance!
Nothing.
Don't break the.
I won't, I
phone,
won't.
Carly. We
I won't.
signed some sort of agreement that says if we break it, we pay for it. We buy it.
Well,
Wouldn't that be
terrible? Oh, looks like we get another car. Oopsies, my bad.
Oh yeah, I didn't mean for that to be inspiration for you, Carly. Be careful.
Let me just punch the window really
Eugene.
quickly. Pow.
Yeah, I love the glass. Oh, look at that in the back.
Oh, does it open up like the S did? Or
No, I
S
don't
did?
think it has a sunroof.
They have
like
these
our
hooks
loaner
here,
will.
which is
yeah.
cool.
Oh wow, look at that. That hook is nice.
Yeah.
We don't have hooks like that.
Yeah, because our car's
Lucky.
old.
Our car is from 2016.
That's 5 years.
She's not old, Carly. She's vintage.
Same thing.
It's not.
Vintage is like 1950s. Was our car made in the 1950s or something?
Carly, they didn't have cars in the 1950s.
They had something.
They had Model T. Okay.
Food!
Let's go Seasons 52.
I'm gonna do a little bit of reading during Seasons 52.
All right, bring you new books.
Hee hee hee.
I forget. We have to tap this thing to drive. All right, Carly, we got to go find somewhere to take a nap because now Tesla says they might have Lucky ready today after all. We're at the Granada Golf Course in Coral Gables, Carly. Time for nap. So we just had a really nice lunch at Seasons 52 on Miracle Mile in Coral Gables. And at lunch, we got a message in the Tesla app from the service center. All right, so we're going to take a nap now in UG to see if Tesla Service Center thinks that they can get Lucky done today after all. So we may not have to drive 135 miles back to Big Pine Key and then back to Coral Gables tomorrow. So we're going to see how the nap experience is in the Model 3. So far, so good. And we'll see what happens. So we just had an epic nap in the Model 3. I think all the Teslas make the best nap cars. I could nap in the 3 just as well as the S and just as well as the X. And Tesla just called and Lucky is ready. Her new MCU is installed. And before we take her back, though, I wanted to show the trunk and the frunk. So I think it's a pretty good sized trunk. It's pretty deep. We're at a golf course. I definitely could get golf clubs in here if they were diagonal. And that's the frunk. Or not the frunk, the trunk. And looks like they do have a secret compartment here that I have stuff on top of. So let's move this stuff. Yep, there's a secret compartment there, pretty good size. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out now how to get the frunk open. The door handles are different. You gotta push like that and then pull them, and you have to close the doors on your own. That's something that Carly and I need some getting used to. Look at that nice little Model 3 emblem on the door. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see. There's sleeping Carly. Open the frunk. I like the animation of that. That was cute. Very good size front space. Not as big as the Y or the X, of course, but definitely a good space to put stuff up here in the frunk. Probably closes easier, I'm guessing. Definitely closes easier than our frunk. And I noticed the camera right here, which is very cool. And the tires. Everything about the Teslas are just so beautiful. The details are awesome. We didn't end up doing any charging today. That's how the charger opens. Tesla T. All right, so there's a good amount of drink holders in the car, and the doors right here. Carly, Lucky's ready for us to go get her. Time to wake up. It's been a pleasure driving Yuri today.
I might scream.
Yuji! We are back at Tesla in Coral Gables. It is 4:35. They were able to get the upgrade done on Lucky same day. So we now have to say goodbye to Yuri, our Model 3 for the day. That was fun. Yuji. Bye, Yuji. Probably not. Bye, Yuji. So we can't wait to show you our new MCU2 in our next video. What a great reason to click the bell for notifications. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Carly's going back to sleep.